Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. My name is Basir. Today I'm at Port Union Road Test Center. I want to take you to 4G Road Test route. It's road number 1. At Port Union it has 3 routes. So I'm taking you from to road number 1, and then road number 2, and then road number 3. So I park my car in reverse. When the examiner is asking when it is safe, go to the right, shift the gear to drive, put the signal to the right, check all around, and
Right,
smoothly
left.
move all
Once you
around.
move,
Keep going here. Just make sure it is this area is quite busy most of the time. People are coming here for the road test, and some people they are walking around, so just make sure about the pedestrians. So here I must make sure. So he put forward flasher, I can go. Again, this car is back parking. Be patient, don't rush. This area is quite tight. It is one-way drive. So now I can go. So after this garbage bin, we need to go a little bit to the right. We don't need to put signal and stop because we don't have a stop sign here. So here we need to put the signal and go to the right. So bus stopped here. I must have 1 meter distance from that. So here he might ask you to the right or go straight ahead. And road number 1, we are going straight ahead. Come to the complete stop, check left, right, and left again, and go. Remember, don't stop more than 3 seconds unless there is other cars in the intersection. So here school zone is here, so just make sure you are not going over 40. So the recommended speed here, and especially in the school zone area, is 35 to 40. So continue. Any street is coming, try to check left, right, or street is in the left, try to check left, or in the right, try to check right. And 4G, they are most of the time checking, are you checking the traffic or not? And rear view mirror is also very important. You need to check every 5 seconds. So this is two-way drive. Try to be on the right side. And the street is coming, check left, right. So here we are going to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. I put the signal a little bit late. So here we have one-way stop. So we need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come here and stop. Completely stop. While stopping, you must check the rear view mirror. Now I need to creep up a little bit to check my left. No car is here, so I will come to the right. Once you come to the right, speed here is 60. Try to go 60. If he asks you lane change to the left, come back to the right, do it. Otherwise, stay on this lane. So I'm doing a lane change, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and smoothly come to the left. And again, I'm going back to the right, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come to the right. So while applying the brake, check the rear view mirror. So whenever you stop behind another car, just make sure you have enough distance or enough gap. When you stop, check left, right, pedestrian lights are the seconds which is counting. That is helping you a lot. Check left, right. So try to maintain the speed limit. Don't go below the speed limit. 40, 57, 58, 59 is good. He will ask you traffic light right turn. So we will do that. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. So now my light is green. I need to turn to the right. There was a bike line. Make sure you are not going on the bike line. So speed here is 60. Try to go 60 as much as you can. If the traffic is busy, so you don't need to go so fast. So whenever you are stopping, check rear view mirror, left, right, and full G road test. This is very important. So after this traffic light, we are going to the right. After this traffic light, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot to the right, and smoothly merge to highway or freeway. Once you come here, turn off the signal. Again, check the mirror, put the signal. This is yield sign. Whenever you see any other cars, you must give them the way to go. So here, so I cannot drive too fast because of the other cars. Once this yellow line finish, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, the left, and continue the speed. My speed now it is 80, so it should be more than this. So now it is 92, 93, so I'm changing lane to the left. So if he's asking you lane change to the left, do it. If he is not asking, stay in this lane. If he's asking you, I'm checking the rear view mirror, side view mirror, signal, blind spot, coming to the left. Once four will completely come, turn off the signal. If he's asking you back to the right, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot of right. And whenever your blind spot light is turned on, don't do the lane change. Let the car who is in your blind spot pass, or go a little bit faster. If your speed is 95, go 100 just to pass that car. So now my speed is good. It is 100. Don't lose your speed all the time. You should be 100 if it is not traffic. So now my speed is going slow down because of the cars. So he will be ask you exit to Morningside Avenue. So from here you need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and put the signal. Join here on the right line. If he's not asking you go to the right, just stay here, because two lanes are exiting. So your signal should turn on until here. Once you come here, turn off the signal and you can off the gas, slowly down the speed. So the recommended speed is 60, my speed is 70. So now 66. He will ask you traffic light left turn, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. If you have enough space, then you do the lane change. We are going back 401 east. So if you are at the center line, that is very good, because you don't need three times lane change. So this is good. Most of the examiners, they are asking you to stay on this line. So whenever you're stopping, check left, right, rear view mirror. So we got arrow, we can go. Remember, from second line to second line. Once you come to the second line, speed up, pick up the speed limit, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right. Again, turn off the signal, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come to the right. Once you came here, you need to turn off the signal. The recommended speed is 30. You can go 40, 35, as much as you can control very well. My speed is 38. Once this yellow line finish, you need to check the mirror, put the signal, and speed. Push the gas to the end. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and speed. Your speed should be 95 or 100. Now my speed is 98. Check the blind spot and smoothly join. Once you completely come to the new lane, you must turn off your signal. So if he is asking lane change to the left, so you can do that. I'm doing check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, smoothly come to the left. If it's asking come back to the right, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, smoothly come to the right. Every 5 seconds, check the rear view mirror and speed. Don't go over the 100. Try to go 98, 99, 97. That speed is good. Every 5 seconds, check the rear view mirror and check the mirrors. If it's asking you lane change, do that. Otherwise, stay on this lane. Just control your speed and check left, right. So he might ask you lane change to the right, 2 lanes are exiting. So if he is asking you, do that. If he is not asking you, stay on this lane. So we need to put the signal because we are exiting. Check the mirrors, put the signal. I'm not going on the other line. I'm still on the second line, but I still need to turn on my signal. Now I need to turn on my signal. So again, I need to check the mirrors, put the signal, blind spot. Check if your light, if it's green, you can go. If it changed to amber, you need to turn off. You need to stop, sorry. So here, he might, if he don't ask you, you need to lane change to the left. If he is asking you, you don't need to do that. So here, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From here, come. We don't need to block the entrance. So if one car is in the middle, we cannot go. So he is going. I need to go a little bit here. I need to wait. Just make sure that cars are enough for I can go, because I wait a lot. You guys must wait more if the traffic is very close by, if other cars are close by, so you need to wait. So here, this is always stop, first come first serve, a little bit busy area. Check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. Try to check who come first, who come second. So now I came, these cars are come earlier than me. Check left, right. I need to check pedestrians. After this I can go. Now it is my turn. Stay on the left side. They are asking you to go to the left. So this is like always stops. So everyone should stop here. It doesn't say always, but it is always stop. We come back to the road test center. So he will ask you basically front parking when you're in full G, so they don't ask you back parking. So just be prepared and ready. Stay on the left side if it is possible, because they are asking you from one of these parking spots. They are asking you go to the parking spot. I'm going to the number 4. Put the signal, check all around, and smoothly go to the parking spot. Once you come inside, check if 4 wheels are inside, then shift the gear to park. Thank you so much for watching. I will also record the road number 2.